I'm Susie Tingle. On my travels, I'm always encountering fabulous front gardens. So here's a mini design tour of a beauty in Corona del Mar, California. Before I knew that this garden was professionally designed, it caught my eye. I will leave the information in the description on how to contact the person who designed it. This garden is small, but it feels much bigger because it engages the senses and keeps the eye moving. Here, the designer used line, repetition, movement, and sound to keep our focus on the space. Simply looking at gravel can evoke a memory of crunching underfoot. The restricted color palette is muted and subtle, but the mix of textures and sizes prevents the space from feeling predictable and boring. The linear fence line complements the style of the house, and generally this long shape will subconsciously encourage a person to walk quickly, especially along a straight sidewalk. But here, the mass planting of Mexican feathergrass is a counterbalance. And I actually felt like I was strolling in a field on a ranch. Many patios dominate in this area of the country where you can be outside practically any time of the year. But in this garden, there is a balance between lounging and highlighting the plants. Overall, this garden strikes a pleasing balance between public and private space, and function and aesthetics. And I would simply love to spend time hanging out here, just taking in all of the senses. Until next time, wherever you go, keep dreaming in the garden.